Wait, hold up. Summer's here. Who did that hair? I did. Yes, me.
Get ready to learn how to execute the mini bows for a nice bun. Let's give a toast to this bomb step-by-step tutorial that I am about to show you guys. So I left my working bag on set and I have this appointment in the morning, and I had to make sure I did at least part of the bows separately so that when she does come in the morning, I don't have to be doing the bows because it can take time. So I always say, if you are a talented stylist, I mean you are a creative, talented stylist, you should be able to look at certain things in your surrounding and be able to use certain items to create something when it comes to hair, because hair is art. I decided to try the bows with these wine glasses right here. At first it was kind of challenging because the glasses are slippery, so it kept on sliding, but then eventually I got the hang of it. It can be dangerous because those are glass, so if it falls, if you hit it too hard, you might injure yourself, and I don't want to be blamed. So if you would like to try the wine glass, you can use the plastic ones, because I feel like the shape of the glass kind of helped to shape the bow. So I probably would use the plastic ones. So I kind of did them in different shapes, so they're not all the same shape. So I would say if you want the bows smaller than this, you could use smaller bottles, but make sure they're like the same size. You could use glue bottles. I've seen someone use the medium size, the big size jumbo glue bottles to execute the bows, and they were beautiful, phenomenal. So you don't have to use the glass. As you keep watching, when I get to my shop, you're going to see what I use to create more mini bows. And if you do have someone helping you, it makes the process even faster. You guys are going to see that later on. There's so many other ways you could do this. And I would say it's better to use an item to do it instead of doing it without a base, because the form of the bow, you get to really form it using an item to do it. But yeah, so I'm gonna fast forward so you guys can see the full video. If I don't fast forward, this video is gonna be at least 60 minutes. And I know we don't like to watch a 60-minute video, okay? So I'm gonna fast forward everything. Hopefully you like this technique, and I'll come back later on. notice right here, I am doubling, even tripling, layering it so it could be a giant among the rest of the bows, because I don't want all of the bows to be the same size. So this is why this one look way bigger than the other ones. It's not as thin. And do not ever skip this part. You have to tie it. You have to tie it before you start wrapping. Wherever you do the tying, make sure this is not gonna be the front view of the bow so it doesn't look bulky. You do have to tie it so that the bow can be sturdy. And you're gonna keep wrapping it around all the way to the end of the hair, and then you're gonna spray it. I'm using my Rahul product, which is very good for sculpting. Of course, you are going to use a glue gun. That is gonna help the wrap to stay, not necessarily the wrap, but the knot you just created. It's gonna help it to stay tight. And then the holding spray is going to help the hair that you're wrapping stay together. It's gonna keep the bow together, and it's not going to fall apart or break apart. Now you could take the time to shape the bow to your desired shape or vibe that you would like to create. Show you one more time how to do the bow. I know it's going fast, but go ahead and try it at home so you could see how easy it is. It is not as hard as you probably thinking. Now that I'm done with my bows, I was gonna just be done for tonight and then just do what I needed to do tomorrow. But then I realized I would want it to be an attachment. So what I did was I saw the hair diagram. They did a piece where they used like a toilet paper base, and it was very creative. It caught my attention. So I said, you know what? I should try it here. So I went ahead and I attached the bows. Well, before I did that, I wrapped the toilet paper roll with hair. I didn't get a chance to show it on the camera, but you guys understand what I did. So now I'm attaching the bows, and not in any particular way, but The way I'm visualizing it, I guess that's where I'm placing it. So you're welcome to do it however way you want. So that's my first time doing it. So hopefully I nail it. And I think I'm doing pretty good. So guys, this is my beautiful client, and I'm so upset that I forgot to show you guys how high the bun was. So I had to take some of the bows down from the base so that I could cut the base shorter. So just imagine the paper toilet roll being half that size that it was, so it could be shorter. And then I reattached the bows, and I realized I needed more bows. So here is another way you can, well, it's the same technique, but here I'm using 2 other items, so you can see you can use anything to create the bows. The smaller items you use, the smaller the bows will be. The bigger the item is, the bigger the bow will be. You're using the same technique, and if you keep doing it, it's going to get easier and easier. Trust me, there was a time I was not able to execute a bow like I can execute it today. I've been doing it for a couple years, and I said, you know what, let me make a YouTube tutorial showing you how you can do this as well. And voila, this is the bow. And I'm attaching them now on the base. I am not putting it on her hair. Her hair was actually a braid. Her hair was thick enough that I was able to put it in a braid, and I slid the base of the toilet paper right inside. So it was pretty easy. So this is detachable. So she's going to shoot, and right after she's done shooting, we taking it down. So this was only for the shoot. And yeah, and I'm not gonna finish it on camera because the whole purpose of the video was to show you how to do the bow. But what I did was I did some waves with the hair that you see hanging, and I did some swirls in the edges area, and you're gonna see it at the end. And that is how you execute a bow. And I hope you guys like it. Comment, like, subscribe, share if you like this video, and let me know what you would like to see more on my page, and I will make sure that I come back doing just that. Thank you guys for watching, and at the end you will see what she looked like when everything was done. Hair pulled up, feeling right, feeling right, feeling right. My client's a baddie, baddie. Yeah. This one is for all my clients that's been rapping with me. Love y'all. Kisses. Who did that hair? I did. Yes, me. Who made that wig? Custom. Boom.
she skip out the whole vibe. Sir's out, hair short, finna right. My clients are baddies. Snip, snip, hit the flow. Knew her in the mirror, do your thing, girl. Who's that? Who's that, baby? She's been that. My clients are baddies. Sun's out, hair short, feeling right. Neck all free. Who did that hair? I did. Who made that wig? Custom. Boom, she skip out the whole vibe. Sir's out, hair short, finna right. My clients are baddies. Snip, snip, hit the flow. Knew her in the mirror, do your thing, girl. Who's that? Who's that, baby? She's been that. My clients are baddies. Sun's out, hair short, feeling right. Neck all free. Who did that hair? I did. Whole new move when I flip that